You know, you're constantly growing through life. You're not necessarily sure where you're going to end up. I know sort of what I want to do. I mean, I want to help people with medicine or with law.
I just want to feel like whatever I'm doing is making an impact on the world in some way. One of the things I'm considering is becoming a teacher. We have amazing classes here that can help you become a teacher. That alleyway, like looking up and seeing the sky and the original building, was beautiful.
I wasn't expecting it to be so developed by the time we got back.
Before it was really nice, but now it's just incredible. It kind of feels like the perfect places to learn, you know? Natural light, comfortable seating, like new technology. When you're in a space that feels more welcoming,
I think it's really helpful for my learning style.
A much more positive environment.
I've seen my sister and my brother graduate through this school. They both did choir and band throughout their lives. I decided to do them too.
Getting to perform in our shows here at DGN on the big stage has been a dream for me. Pretty cool just to get to share all the hard work that you've been working towards with other people, and like that sense of community. It's really powerful. They just cultivate an environment where you can learn and you can grow, and all the resources that we have here are really just extremely helpful for whatever you want to do. You just feel supported and like you can do anything.